Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah musidɓe tedduɓe bismama e chaine mon Mr Sall en English learners. Donc hande noon leçon min fewi ko eko wiyete business collocations with business, mana collocations with business. Koŋnguɗi ganduɗa hoorema pewti koye business. Donc sa yiɗi wadde définir business noon, business is the activity of making money by producing or buying and selling goods or providing services. Donc ko ɗum woni définition anglais e business. Koye ƴeewa no dañirɗa haalis tawa wonko pewnuɗa walla wonko coodɗa. Donc cooda marchandise walla ƴetta ko mbawɗa wadde compétence ma mbiya ka ƴeeyo ɗum. Donc ɗum woni business, ko ɗum firti business. Donc pour raɓɓikinade tan business fewti koye no kutortoɗa, no mbatta ha daña jawdi, ha daña haalis walla ko way noon. Donc ko mbatta ha daña haalis ko walla jawdi ko ɗum wiyete business. So tawi ka keso woto jiiɗi abonde, woto jiiɗi kadi partage so tawi vidéo ne welma pour yañude dental ngal. Donc bisimilla mon sa pari puɗɗoɗen. Donc to do business with somebody, ɗum woni konngol men gadigol. To do business with somebody. Example, our firm does a lot of business with overseas customers. Emin jogui société o noon on waɗa business kewɗo ko fewte clientneɓe wonɓe extérieur. He is someone I can do business with. Ko neɗɗo mo ganduɗa mbaɗa wawi waddude e makko business. Eyyi ɗum so ɓenni rewi hen ko to conduct business, to conduct business, do business. To conduct business simplement firti wadde business, wadde business. Example, there will be some changes to the way we conduct business. Donc ma wot ko change eno mbaɗirten business ni, ma wat ko change eno mbaɗirten business ni. Konngol men dowgol hen ko to go into business. To go into business firti to start working in business, fuɗɗade business, fuɗɗade golle. Example, it was a mistake to go into business with my brother. Ko erreur mannomi fuɗɗodade business e frère am, c'est à dire le fait ko puɗɗirimi e miñam walla mawnam wadde business, ɗum ɗon ko erreur wonno, ɗum woni to go into business. Rewi hen ko to set up or to start up in business. To set up, okay, or start up in business. Example, she has set up in business as a hairdresser. Donc o fuɗɗima business makko ko fewti e morol, hairdresser, morol. Donc to set up or business or start up in business firti fuɗɗade wadde business. Bon ɗum so ɓenni konngol men dowgol hen ko to stay in business. To stay in business firti to continue operating and not become bankrupt. Donc continue business mo mbatta o pour mbasa yende, not become bankrupt, mbasa yende. Example, some stores are finding it hard to stay in business. Donc won bitikaji donc ina muuse mumen pour heddade e nder business he. Donc to stay in business, continue business ma pour mbasa yende. Donc konngol dewgol hen to go out of business. To go out of business firti ko to stop doing business because of financial problems. Donc dartina wadde business ma parce que ka dañƴa caɗele haalis, caɗele ngalu. Voilà, example, the firm went out of business during the recession. Donc recession he société o koko yehi fayit, koko yani. Donc to be or to work in the software business. Donc to be, to work in the software business. Example, he spent his whole life in insurance business. Donc gurdam makko fof o waɗi ɗum koye business pewɗo e assurance. Donc ɗum ɗo ko liggey ganduɗa hoorema ko banggue muɗum kañum tan. Donc konngol dewgol hen ko to put somebody or something out of business. ɗum firti to cause it to stop operating. Donc dartinde golle walla dartinde neɗɗo e golle mum. Example, this new tax will put a lot of small firms out of business. Oɗo taxe keso ma had société ji topoji kewɗe kontinde golle mumen. Kon musidɓe tedduɓe ko ɗum gaddunɗen hannde. So tawi donc wonka famani tan aɗa wawi addude namde ma e less e commentaire uji he. So tawi kadi aɗa jogui konngudi goɗɗi ko fewte business aɗa wawi kadi addude. Mbasawi jidde abande partage de e wadde like vidéo. Rendez-vous ha lawol gongol inchallah.